In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the VLC error when playing YouTube videos step by step using simple methods that work in 2026. If you've ever tried to paste a YouTube link into VLC and got an error message, a blank screen, or endless loading, you're not alone. This is a very common issue, and the good news is that it's usually easy to fix once you know what to change. I'll walk you through multiple solutions, starting with the easiest and moving to the more advanced ones, so make sure you watch until the end. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software fixes and tutorials. All right, let's get started. The first thing you should always do is update VLC. Many YouTube playback errors happen because YouTube changes something on their end, and older versions of VLC can't keep up. Open VLC, click on Help in the top menu, and then choose Check for Updates. If an update is available, download and install it. This update usually includes a newer YouTube script that fixes playback problems. Once the update is finished, restart VLC and test the YouTube link again. If the issue is still there, let's move on to the next fix. The second step is increasing VLC's cache settings, which can help with buffering and loading errors. Press Ctrl+P on your keyboard to open Preferences. In the bottom left corner, change Show Settings from Simple to All. Now go to Input and Codecs. Look for file caching and set it to 2000 milliseconds. Then find network caching and set it to 1500 milliseconds. These values give VLC more time to load YouTube streams properly. Click Save and restart VLC before testing again. Next, if VLC is still giving you errors, resetting the preferences can often fix strange or corrupted settings. Open VLC, go to Tools, then Preferences. At the bottom of the window, click Reset Preferences and confirm. This will return VLC to its default settings. After resetting, close VLC completely, reopen it, and try playing the YouTube video again. Another very common fix is disabling hardware decoding. Sometimes your graphics driver and VLC don't work well together when streaming YouTube. To do this, go to Tools, then Preferences, and open Input and Codecs. Find Hardware Accelerated Decoding and set it to Disable. Click Save and restart VLC. This small change fixes playback errors for a lot of users. If that still doesn't solve the problem, try changing the video output module. Go to Tools, Preferences, then Video. Under Output, try switching between Direct3D 11, OpenGL, or Automatic. After changing the output, save your settings and restart VLC each time to test which one works best on your system. The next step is checking cookie forwarding, which can interfere with YouTube playback. Go to Tools, Preferences, then Input and Codecs. Scroll down to Access Modules, open HTTPS, and untick Cookies Forwarding. Save the changes and restart VLC once more. Finally, if none of the previous steps worked, the most reliable fix is replacing the youtube.lua file. This file allows VLC to understand YouTube streams, and it often breaks when YouTube updates their platform. Search online for the latest youtube.lua script on the official VLC forums or on GitHub. Download the updated file and replace the old youtube.lua file inside VLC's Lua folder on your system. After restarting it, restart VLC and try playing the YouTube video again. At this point, the error should be gone. And that's how you fix the VLC error when playing YouTube videos in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy software fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.